Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to connect Mobile Legends to YouTube. So to start, open YouTube and go to your profile at the bottom right. Then go to your settings at the top right. Then scroll down under account and go to connected apps. Then from here, look for Mobile Legends or MLBV. Then click connect.
Welcome back to Jew Tutorial. And if you're new, special welcome to you. You see, guys, my team and I have been working every single day to make videos just like this one for you guys. And for those of you who are subscribed, I just want to say special thank you. And I really appreciate the support from you guys. And if you're not yet subscribed, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. And if you find this video useful, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That's going to give this video a like and it gives a signal to YouTube that this video was helpful. Thank you guys for that. I'm so sorry to interrupt your video, but I'd really appreciate this tiny but massive support. Thank you guys.
Click connect once more. And so basically, you just need to sign in with your Mobile Legends account and authorize it if you have to. Then you will be connected to YouTube. So once done, you'll see connected in here instead of connect. And that means Mobile Legends is now connected to YouTube. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.